This error often pops up when you lack the necessary permissions to remove software, especially on computers managed by an organization. If your computer is part of a company network, you will need to contact your IT administrator or server expert to resolve this. However, if you are using a personal home computer and face this issue, there is a solution you can try yourself. First, search for User Account Control or UAC. Navigate to change User Account Control settings. You will find several levels of notification. Adjust the slider to the very bottom setting, which is Never Notify. After selecting this option, click on OK. This action should grant you the necessary permissions to proceed with uninstalling the software. If you recently acquired a system from a company, you might need to remove it from the domain or perform a system reset to regain full control and uninstall programs. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.